This is the smart LG washing machine, direct drive. This is the frame, as you see. Oh, I took it away. This guy. Look at this. This is the one. So here, as you see, guys. The other one parts are here. These are the parts. I don't know what they call, but these are the. It was inside here. This is the door. Here. Okay. Okay, what else? This is the hose. As you see, this is all the cables. And here this is the computer board, whatever as you're calling. All is here. Everything is here, as you see. Yeah, that's it. I just take this one too from here. I took it out and I cut it here. There was a lot of screw and only this left. Alright. This is the I took very hard. As you see, a lot of dirt here and also right here. As you see, look at this. All dirt. Yeah, that's why it wasn't working, but this is too much work to clean it. So that's the reason I just throw this washing machine. And I just want to show you why sometimes it doesn't work. Because there's a lot of dirt. Like, it stucks here. Alright guys, bye. Look at this. I took this too. Look, this is the one. Look at this. This is so bad. Needs to clean. That's why it was giving the code that it stuck. See, all dirt. That's why it wasn't turning and giving the code. As you see, so much dirt. I don't know how to clean without taking part. If you guys have any idea, please let me know. So thanks, bye. So I took to this part. It was hard to take it out. I just took it out. See underneath this guy. Yeah, and then after that nothing else. Yeah, all right. Look at this inside the washing machine. Another part, so dirty, and that's why it was giving the code, which is it was saying the stuck something, but I find out that it's stuck. This is the ones. It was stuck all dirt and it wasn't moving. So I just let you know that, guys, if it stucks and it doesn't turn and it gives the code, that which means its washing machine is so dirty. And so I don't know. And after that, maybe you need to clean. You need some kind of the cleaner. If you know anything about the cleaning the washing machine, that anything, the soap, any other things that cleans all this dirt, I will be appreciated if you let me know.